Hello everyone, this is Leslie Kelly signing in for the week 4 assignment, which was to do a reverse engineering of a data source that we use from Data World. I decided to go into 2021 and do this particular project, which was what do Americans think about abortion. This is something that is very near and dear to me, especially for all women, especially and with Roe v. Wade being overturned and with the elections coming up in 2 weeks. These are one of the main things that a lot of people are talking about, especially women of color, women of all races, shapes, and size. And also even the men now who are now taking into consideration that it's not only affecting women as a front, but it's also affecting men as a scale. But also with the LGBTQIA, because once Roe v. Wade is officially gone, such as devil's advocate, if the Republicans manage to win, they're going to try to overturn the LGBTQIA community. So, but I'm just going to focus on abortion because that's one of the things that was mainly overturned. And as of right now, I wish they had the data from 2022, but I'm just going to focus on what's going on in 2021. So what I did was I reverse engineered it, turned it into a graph, and I focused on from 2014 all the way up into 2021, which gives a measure of where Americans think it should be illegal in all aspects, legal under circumstances, legal under any circumstances, and those who have no opinion. As you can see in the graph from 2024, and it looks like it has not changed from 2014 up into 2021, which was 7 years. A lot of people still think that it should be illegal in all aspects, where others are starting to think it should be illegal under circumstances, and within legal under any circumstances, it's still the same. But I think after when Roe v. Wade was overturned, it started to grow and increase. Same with and it started to decrease within legal under circumstances. I would like to keep going in this project, especially after when the elections are over, because I would like to know rather if people still think after the election's over, should Roe v. Wade be overturned or should it continue to stay and be legal for all of those, especially for those who have PCOS, those who have like medical or mental situations where they cannot have a child, or again, devil's advocate, if Republicans were to win, what's going to happen to people like us, especially people of color who cannot have abortions. So I would like to keep going with this project, because from a DEI standpoint, I want to see what other people think about it and basically gain more data within trying to figure out if what we should do as a front to keep abortion either legal, or if it's illegal, try to figure out other ways to like support women and make sure that everything is not only covered for them, but psychologically, if if people are stand enough to have a child. Thank you.